Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. It's always so much fun because I learn a ton. So what are we doing today?
We're making some mustard greens, which
Okay.
we might not be as familiar with, right? And
I will admit I'm not.
it's got like a tahini dressing or sauce on it.
Okay.
And it's a combination of dried cherries, some toasted almonds, a little maple syrup, and lemon juice. I don't know. So
You can't go wrong with
well,
those.
I mean, all those delicious ingredients, and this actually happens to be one of the very favorite recipes that we do in our culinary medicine classes at
Okay.
OU.
All right, well that should tell us right there.
Yeah. Okay, so I have some onion and garlic already going. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nice and caramelized.
Okay.
And we're just gonna go straight in with some frozen mustard greens. And you could use another kind of greens here, but I do think that it would be nice to give the mustard greens a try. So we're gonna give these just a couple minutes to cook down a little bit.
Okay. That was my version of cooking. Did you see I handed that over?
It was very good.
Wasn't that good? All right, so we're letting those cook down.
Yes, we're gonna let these cook down a little bit. And when they are nice and dry and cooked down, then we're gonna add the other ingredients. It really is very easy. It takes just a tiny bit of time.
Okay.
But again, back to the fresh. You could definitely use the fresh and you would cut them up, take the rib out.
Oh, that's
but
right.
Cut them up and then just saute them with the onions and garlic and everything
Okay.
else that we have going on here. Okay, so these have wilted down nicely.
Okay.
And we're just gonna go ahead and add the dried cherries.
Oh.
These are great for sweetness too, but very healthy, lots of fiber,
Okay.
some tahini. So that is ground sesame seeds. So it makes a paste, a little bit like peanut butter, but it doesn't have that sweetness that we normally associate with peanut butter. It has a little bit of a bitter flavor to it.
Okay,
This
and that's
is-
all going in the pan together.
Yep, it's super delicious. Pretty excited for this.
Mouth is watering already.
Yes. Some lemon juice, fresh
Okay.
lemon juice, and then some maple syrup.
That,
I always feel like Elf when I'm making
right.
something with maple syrup.
Anything maple syrup that
Yes.
comes to mind.
Yes. Okay, so this all gets tossed together
Okay.
and then topped with some toasted almonds. And you could use whatever nuts, you know, this is like so many of our recipes, very adaptable to what you have.
Okay, so again, is this considered a meal? Is this where you would add something to it, like
This is
chicken or something if you wanted to?
Definitely a side dish,
It's
yes.
more side, okay. That's what I was gonna.
Yes. Okay, so this just, whoops.
Again, that is totally how I would cook, so I am feeling very at home at the moment, so you're good.
Okay, so this is just, we'd probably give it maybe a little more time to cook down, but I want you to get a good taste of this.
It looks good.
Yeah.
It looks very good.
It is very good.
All right, I'm gonna taste this.
So again, you could use spinach, collard greens, Swiss chard. The mustard greens actually do have a good amount of bitterness to them.
It's so good. It is really good. It's delicious. Thank you, as always. If you have never tried mustard greens, this is the one to try. If you want to learn about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.